Here are the 5 steps on how to clean your tires and the wheel, leaving you with the most satisfying result. You want to achieve that nice black shining look. So, step number 1. Before you hit step number 1, make sure you hit that red subscribe button. So step 1, we wet the tire. Soak it with the water. Once it's nice and soaked, the next step, step number 2. Remember, there are 5 steps. You come in here with the soap and soak the tire with the soap. And here I'm using the MJJC foam canon and Mr. Pink soap. Give it a few minutes, nice and soak, and add more soap as much as you can. Just enough. Step number 3 now. Come here with a brush and scrub that tire. Scrub it like you mean it. And here I'm using a nice soft brush. After the brush, I'm gonna come in with a rag to clean the wheel. If you're liking this video so far, make sure you give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment on the comment section. Let me know your opinion, any remarks, and I will really appreciate. And we are ready for step number 4, which is going to rinsing the tire. And as you can see, it's already getting nice and a shiny look. But there's still step number 5, which is the most important to be able to achieve the most satisfying result. So step number 5, here we go. Are you ready? So final step, we are going to wax the tire using Meguiar's Endurance tire gel. And all we are doing, we are applying some of it on the towel like this and start applying it on the tire. And this is how you achieve the most satisfying black shine tire, just like this. And those are the 5 steps on cleaning a tire and making it look shiny and achieve the most satisfying results. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing so we continue bringing you content like this. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. My name is Jeff Carbuoy.